What's good, everybody? Welcome to another episode of Talking with Tonio. So in this episode, we're going to talk about why everybody needs to embody the Mamba mentality. And it doesn't matter your human endeavor, whether you're a doctor, lawyer, athlete, entrepreneur, it doesn't matter. We all need to embody the Mamba mentality. And also, if you haven't checked out my merch, you are asleep. I have some super dope pieces, so I would greatly appreciate it if you supported the brand. I got on one of the Movement Over Barriers bunny sweater right here in the forest green. I love this sweater, so check it out. I would greatly appreciate it. But y'all already know what time it is. It is channel spotlight time. So the channel spotlight for this video goes to Key and Russell's Hustle. They have an amazing blog channel, so my family, show them some love. But let's get into the video. Now, first things first, can we all just say that January was a horrible month? Just in the world collectively, January was pretty trash, okay? We had the coronavirus, right? Australia has been burning for forever. Puerto Rico has earthquakes. And then you're going to take Kobe and Gigi? Why would you do that, Lord? Like, you know, I've said it in previous videos that I'm a man of faith. And that just, I don't know, that was tough. That was a tough one for me. And I think the passing of Kobe and Gigi, as well as the other people that were on the helicopter, really makes you think of your own immortality, okay? Because they were doing something routine. Kobe always uses his helicopter to travel. And a lot of people was like, why would he use a helicopter? It's foggy. But at the end of the day, when it's your time, it's your time. And it really allowed me personally to reflect on my own life and my own immortality and really figure out, am I really living, the life I should be living? Am I really giving it my all? Am I really, being impactful in my day-to-day life? Because honestly, the next minute is not promised. And so with that being said, I wanted to make this video and talk about the most powerful thing I think Kobe left us with was his mentality. Now, I wouldn't sit up here and say that I was Kobe's biggest fan, but again, after his passing, I started to look more into this thing of his Mamba mentality because I always admired his work ethic, and his drive and willingness to succeed no matter what. And I always heard stories of, Kobe practicing before practice and then practicing after practice, all just to get better, at his jump shots and, his routine, his just desire to want to win no matter what. And so I think, after, his passing, I started to look more and more into it. And the more I looked into it, the more it intrigued me on what it meant to have the Mamba mentality. And pretty much my understanding or my definition of it is the desire to persevere and the willingness to put in the hard work no matter what is going on in your life. And that was very evident, especially, during his, rape trial that he was acquitted for. I have to say that, right? And he was still, even through that type of adversity, most people wouldn't even show up to the game, right? And he was still performing at a very high level, even going through that. And I think, for most people, they wouldn't be able to handle that. But his desire and his drive to want to be successful no matter what the circumstance is very, very telling of his character. And I think if we just had an ounce, I'm talking just an ounce of that, I think we would all be in a better place in our professional careers. So for me, I think it's very, very important that we embody that at all times, because honestly, especially with how 2020 is starting, we're definitely going to need the Mamba mentality as much as possible for us to be successful. And I think a lot of times, especially when it comes to, personal finance or business and entrepreneurship, that is a very lonely, for the most of us, route to take. In entrepreneurship, you're not going to always have people, supporting you or understanding what you're trying to accomplish. And if you don't have that Mamba mentality, that will to, persevere through anything, you're going to give up. You're going to quit. Let's just say you're on YouTube, right? And it's been 6 months and you only have 100 subscribers. What are you going to do? Are you going to keep making videos or are you just going to give up? But the Mamba mentality tells you, hey, we don't give up. We're going to persevere no matter what, no matter how long it takes, we're going to be successful. And, I want to embody that. And hopefully you guys see that from me, in my videos. But honestly, I just hope that you guys can see the Mamba mentality within me, within my videos, within the content that I create and that I share with you guys. And honestly, at the end of the day, without you guys' love and support of this channel, I am nothing. No matter how much or how hard I work, without you guys' support, again, I am nothing. So I thank you guys so much for just subscribing to this channel, liking my videos, watching my videos. It means so much to me, and I just want to say thank you guys so very much. And I hope that this video, and I hope that Kobe's life has shed a light on you as much as it shed a light on me personally. But that is it for the video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. I am going to link down below the winner of the giveaway, and check out some of my content over here. If you like this video, make sure that you like and subscribe. I would greatly appreciate it. Until next time, peace.